Hello and welcome. Are you trying to set up a medical device operation here in the United States, or maybe also in Mexico, and feel like swimming in the ocean? With operational setups, design and development, design verification and validation, quality management system setups, dealing with healthcare regulations, obtaining 510(k) clearance, and navigating customs? I totally get it. That's exactly where I was a few years ago. It wasn't easy, rather complex and overwhelming without fully knowing what was going to unfold next. Now I have the experience setting up and developing a few companies in the USA and also in Mexico. It requires system level understanding, system level knowledge, and a resource network. In response to repeated inquiries, I have the whole process documented and I want to share it with you so that you can have a smoother, faster, and cost effective journey. Let's explore. If you are developing medical devices, whether you are a startup or established company expanding your product line, you have come to the right place. As an engineer, entrepreneur, and adjunct faculty member, I have successfully utilized my skills in setting up scalable systems that support the company's growth. And I created Med Device Solution as a platform to share the same experience and training with others, where we can turn your operational, engineering, and manufacturing challenges into streamlined solutions. I invite you to visit the link in the description below where you can have a full view of what we offer. Not all startups are created equal, but the system, process, and network we established are scalable, customizable, and applicable to all. To learn more, you can email us or schedule a meeting through the website or from the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for insights, tutorials, and updates designed for medical device professionals and medical device startups. We look forward to helping you.